Okay, so today we have a pair of Adidas NMD R1 Prime Knits from Foot Locker. These would have cost $170, but since Foot Locker was having a sale, it only cost us $110. So here you go. Okay, so here's the left shoe. And so here's what it looks like on the front. On the bottom is kind of clear and kind of brownish, and it kind of looks like leopard print, but it's kind of like camo. It's gray, black, and a little bit of white. And on the other side over here, you can see that it has like a little bit of orange, and it has 3 stripes because it's Adidas. And on here, it's a lot different than the other NMDs because this kind of, in a way, squeezes your foot so that it keeps your foot secure in the shoe. So this still has like the insert in it. And so the laces are black, which I really like because if you're going to wear these outside, then it's not going to get as dirty as if you're wearing white ones. But of course, like this will eventually get dirty. Luckily, we bought some cleaner from there too. So this is Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner, and that cost us $10. And what you do is that you get a warm cup of water, put about 2 or 3 drops of this stuff in it. It's like purple. And then you get the little scrubber, which is right here, and then you just rub the put the brush on it, scrub it, and then it supposedly gets the dirt and stuff off of it. And the right shoe isn't different, except that it still has the insert and it doesn't have a tag on it. But it's about the same. It has something on it. And oh yeah, this part is black. It's like it's hard. And this stuff right here is kind of like plastic, but like in a foamy kind of way. So if you like walk with this, this will eventually get wrinkles in it. But I heard like a way to fix the wrinkles is to get like a blow dryer and like do it like that, and it'll go back to normal. And so that's a way to keep this from looking all wrinkled and keeping them looking as close to brand new as you possibly can. And so all in all, I think that these look pretty good. I do like mostly the boost on the bottom of it. It's really squishy, and it provides a lot of comfort for your foot if you're just walking around. They don't feel like very hard on the bottom like a lot of other shoes do. So when you're walking around, you'll feel as much comfort as you can while you're walking around doing whatever. Also, this material up here is a lot different because it's like elastic, and it bends off of here. It comes off of here, and if you put your hand through it, it fits kind of like a football glove. Whenever you wear football gloves, like it takes the shape of your hand, or a mouthpiece. So whenever you put it on, it kind of feels like a little kind of blanket on it, and it's very flexible, so you don't get too hot when you're wearing them. But yeah, I think that they're really great. I like them. Probably my favorite shoe that I own right now, and we got a really good deal on it. So right now, you could go on footlocker.com and buy yourself this pair of shoes for about $60 off, and that would be a really great deal. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.